In a world where time is of the essence, are you ready to discover the art of swift gastronomy? Brace yourselves as we unveil a collection of 7 mouthwatering recipes, each crafted to perfection in just 5 minutes. Can you believe such culinary marvels are within reach in such a short span? Join us on a journey through flavors and sensations, where every dish is a testament to the magic of efficient cooking. Let's dive in and savor the taste of culinary liberation. Don't miss out on more quick and delicious recipes. Subscribe now for weekly culinary inspiration straight to your inbox. Avocado toast with a twist. Avocado toast has become a staple breakfast dish, but let's elevate it with a twist. Start by mashing ripe avocado onto toasted whole grain bread. Sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that extra zing. Now, here comes the twist. Add a layer of creamy goat cheese and top with thinly sliced radishes and a drizzle of honey. The combination of creamy avocado, tangy goat cheese, and crunchy radishes will make your taste buds dance with joy. This upgraded avocado toast is not only delicious, but also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients to fuel your day. Banana peanut butter smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are all the rage for a reason. They're not only nutritious, but also incredibly customizable and delicious. For this quick and energizing breakfast option, blend together frozen bananas, creamy peanut butter, a splash of almond milk, and a handful of spinach until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings, such as sliced bananas, crunchy granola, and a drizzle of honey. This banana peanut butter smoothie bowl is not only satisfying, but also loaded with protein, fiber, and potassium to kickstart your day on the right note. Caprese salad skewers. This vibrant and refreshing appetizer is perfect for any occasion, from casual gatherings to elegant dinner parties. Simply thread cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, and basil leaves onto skewers, alternating the ingredients for a colorful presentation. Drizzle the skewers with a balsamic glaze and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. These caprese salad skewers are not only visually appealing, but also bursting with flavor, thanks to the combination of sweet tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and fragrant basil. Serve them as a light appetizer or side dish, and watch them disappear within minutes. Greek yogurt parfait with fresh berries. Indulge in a guilt-free treat with this simple yet satisfying Greek yogurt parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, in a glass or bowl. Sprinkle with crunchy granola and a drizzle of honey for added sweetness. This Greek yogurt parfait is not only delicious, but also rich in protein, probiotics, and antioxidants to support your overall health. Enjoy it as a wholesome breakfast, snack, or even dessert for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Mediterranean hummus wrap. Elevate your lunch game with this flavorful and filling Mediterranean hummus wrap. Start by spreading a generous layer of creamy hummus onto a whole grain wrap or tortilla. Top with a handful of fresh spinach leaves, sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with a squeeze of lemon juice and sprinkle with dried oregano and black pepper for added flavor. Roll up the wrap tightly and slice it in half for a portable and satisfying meal on the go. This Mediterranean hummus wrap is not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals to keep you energized throughout the day. Quick and easy stir fry. Craving a flavorful and nutritious dinner in a flash? Look no further than this quick and easy stir fry recipe. Start by heating a splash of oil in a skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your choice of protein, such as sliced chicken breast, tofu, or shrimp, and stir fry until cooked through. Then, add a colorful array of vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and carrots, and cook until tender crisp. Drizzle with a savory sauce made from soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Serve the stir-fry over cooked brown rice or quinoa for a satisfying and balanced meal that's ready in minutes. Chocolate banana mug cake. Treat yourself to a decadent dessert with this indulgent chocolate banana mug cake. In a microwave-safe mug, mash a ripe banana until smooth. Add cocoa powder, flour, a splash of milk, a pinch of baking powder, and a drizzle of maple syrup or honey for sweetness. Mix until well combined, then microwave on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the cake is cooked through. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt or whipped cream and a sprinkle of dark chocolate shavings for an extra touch of decadence. This chocolate banana mug cake is not only quick and easy to make, but also a delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth without any guilt. Enjoy it warm for the ultimate dessert experience. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration.